Hi, it's Narelle here from Simply Scrapping, and today I'm going to be doing a layout for Mixed Media Mayhem where we have to use paste, punch and a stencil. Now I have no idea what punch I'm going to be using, maybe just a corner rounder possibly, but I know the paste I'm using is a Colour Blast paste in the colour Brass. So this is brand new. I just got this in a kit in December, so I'm excited to pull that out and use that. And then I have a few stencils. I haven't decided which one I'm going to use, but I know I wanted like a floral one to go with the paper and the embellishments. So I have these 4 to choose from, and when I get to that stage I'll just pick one, and possibly either that one or that one. I'm thinking these might be a little bit too big, those two, but we'll see what we do. And then right, so this paper pack or kit that I put together years ago, probably now, is all your pastel florals, and a really old paper pack. What is it? DCWV, is that what they are? Luxury Stack it's called, and it's full of like pearlized papers, and this is years and years old, but I don't want to throw it out. It's paper, I can still use it. So I pulled a sheet out of that for the background, and I put all this kit together to do my parents' wedding album, and that's the photo I'm doing today of them. I've got a rough idea of what I'm doing. The other things I'm using is Creative Cuts from Uniquely Creative. These are from the Full Bloom collection, which is years old now. So that's sort of the whole theme of the album, will be like florals and your pastel pinks and stuff. I can't remember what colour Mum's bridesmaids dresses were. I think they were a tealy blue. I'd have to dig out her proper album and have a look at it, because back then everything was black and white, but the studio coloured them, and I think they were a tealy aqua colour. I can't remember, I have to have a look. But I've got lace here as well, and then just some scraps of paper that I had in the kit that I've used on other pages. So I think I know what I'm doing, and we will see how I go. I haven't scrapped for quite some time, so I'm getting back into it, and I'll see what I can do. So I'm going to fast forward you now, and I'll come back at the end once I've done the page. Okay, there is my completed page, and I must say I'm quite happy with it. I haven't scrapped for a good 6 months or more, so this is my first page back, and I'm quite happy with how it turned out. I love this paste. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is just gorgeous. Oh, I love it. The shimmer, the shine. Oh, like laying flat, it looks quite dark, but when you get the light on it, oh, that shimmer, it is just gorgeous. I love it. Quite simple, just paper strips, and I just rounded the corners. Now, I was trying to round both corners, but I don't know, that's I couldn't get it to work. It was doing a weird shape on the second one. I don't know why. These are, I don't want to rubbish the brand, but they are quite cheap corner rounders. I may have to invest in a better one. But so after I failed a few times, I just went, well, I'm just going to do one corner. That adds interest, I guess. Yeah, and then just the different elements from those die cut packs. Kept it quite simple for the embellishments, and I think it works. So if you have liked this video, please give it the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And make sure you check out the playlist below of everyone else who is playing along with a Mixed Media Mayhem. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video, and until then, happy scrapping. Bye bye.